Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Let's see. Let's see. Good morning, guys. Boxing Day. Boxing Day. Where's your monies? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you tell I was slacking today? Yeah, I was slacking big time. It's one of those mornings, you know. uh, I didn't think about like this week at all. Yeah. Anyways. Past. Red shirts, white hats. Peter, you do know the stream has started though. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Alan. Richard. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Focus. Good morning, Emor. Bonjour. DEF. Good morning, Indo. Good morning, Tash. Good morning, Arte. Good morning. It's 3 p.m. where you live. Easy day. Yeah, I think we're gonna be here for like a short time. See if anything's happening, and then we're gonna leave. Um, Alrighty, so not a big deal. I think today's gonna be slow. Rusty, good morning. Today's gonna be very slow. I think we're gonna maybe have some stuff to do in the morning, and then la 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 la. I'm just looking here really quickly. La, 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 la. I'm just looking at these stocks going into the open. So, in terms of gainers here this morning, I think ARBB is still number one. Yeah, it still is. Right. So top two. Right. So top two going into the open. I'm glad they're not like micro penny stocks, honestly. Because when I was looking at this list 30 minutes ago, everything was like 16 cents, 9 cents, 20 cents. Like, oh my goodness, here we go. Here we go again with these stupid penny stocks. With these stupid penny stocks. Anyways, you can see the bottom of the list, right? It's like, oh, this one's 19 cents. Oh, this one's 16 cents. Oh, this one has 10,000 in volume. Let's not do that, please. Thank you. Anyways, so ARBB had some news this morning. IINN also had some news this morning. Right, if you were a legend member, you might have been able to catch that. That was a really nice run, by the way. Right, so this one was all over Discord. Right, a nice 150% gainer. It looks like we're bouncing off the 20 for now of $2.30, it seems, for IINN. So this one should be interesting going into the open. ARBB seems to be like holding support around $2.10. Let's say $2. Anything above $2. Right. So we can maybe stay above $2. That would I'm gonna move that line a little bit lower to the bottom there. So that's 205. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we can stay above that, and then that should be good. I'm gonna put another line on the way down. No, that one doesn't go all the way to the top. Actually, doesn't go all the way to the top piece. Let's do that. Let's do that. See if we can get some breakouts going into the open here. Alrighty, so some of these other stocks here, BCLI isn't doing much, but it's holding the 200. You know what's been tempting over the weekend? It's been Nvidia puts. I look at that damn chart and it's like, oh my goodness, that daily looks finally delivered. What an idiot's pizza. Dude has to go though. He has to go. Oh, I wish Harlan was back, pizza. Yeah, he has to go. Very useless. No, 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 no. So GRCL, that stock is way expensive though, so no. And then BACK. Let me take a look. Back. IMAG Holdings. What is it doing? Consolidating for now at 310. Consolidating. Yeah, ARBB just keeps holding the same support, which is good. Which is good. It's just not really doing anything though. Hmm. Command Shift 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mm. Good morning, Jay. And losing, I know. I saw the first goal. I saw the first. I was watching the first half. I saw the first two goals. Yeah. Yes. Yes. ARBB has news. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Unless I missed it. Unless I'm thinking of a different name, which I might be actually. Huh, maybe they don't. Mullen has news though. Mullen says they delivered 63 more Class 3 vehicles to Randy Marion, at valued at 4 million. Um, so yeah, so Mullen says they delivered more vehicles. Hmm. Why does it seem like a two? Why does it seem like a? Why does it seem like a scam? You know what I mean? Like, why does it seem like a scam? Mullen is always delivering the vehicles to the same person, only the one person. 63 vehicles equals 4 million? Something smells fishy. hmm. Anyways, let me go back to IINN. IINN is still trending down. So just be careful. Watch for $2.30 there. If that thing can hold it and curl, maybe. Dropship vehicles from Alibaba. Am I the only one that's reading this wrong? I'm looking at the news channel in Discord, and it says Mullen delivered 63 more Class 3 vehicles to Randy Marion, uh, valued at 3.969 million. Hmm. So up to date, they've delivered 121 Class 3 vehicles, valued at $7.6 million. 121 vehicles is 7 point... Really? Hmm. I guess we could do the math. I guess we could do the math and divide and see how much they're selling each vehicle, but I don't care. I just wanna go down the rabbit hole and say that it seems fishy. You know? Anyways, so we have 17 minutes before the market opens. So yeah, let's see what happens. If again, so err on the side of caution today, guys. No need for rushings and getting slapped. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. So nothing's happening there. Let me take a look at AIMDs just because they are the last name to drop some news. Last name with news. AIMD. 180. Cool. Okay. La, 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 la. Mullen. Unbelievable. Mm, here we go. La, la, la. All pizza I made Sunday. All stop hit offering. Oh my goodness, pizza. These market makers don't want you to win, though. Ah, okay, that's what they're selling it for. 63,000 dollars a truck. Huh. You know you could buy a Tesla truck for that much, John, but instead you decide to buy a Mullen. Oh, you meant in Vegas. Oh, pizza. Okay, yeah. Okay. Good, so good. Oh, yes. Yeah, you're still in Vegas. Oh, yes. Pizza in Vegas. Pizza went back to Vegas, guys. He went back. I went to Vegas once. Pizza went back to Vegas again and again and again. What do we think Peter's doing in Vegas, guys? Hmm. Anyways, let's see here. Interesting. I have been entered. Pizza. Yeah, I think maybe like go during yeah. I feel like going during the week is best pizza if you're gonna gamble, you know? The whole weekend stuff is good morning, Scott. Huh. Yeah, IINN seems to like want to find, it's looking for ways to stay above $1.29 there. So there goes ARBB. So again, the two names we're watching this morning going into the open, um, IINN and ARBB. So with ARBB, we've obviously held the bottom like we wanted to, right? So bottoms above $2.10. We're now struggling at like $2.25. So we need to break above that, right? With IINN, it looks like we're holding above, trying to hold $2.30. So hopefully we can. Alrighty, let me get the stream good to go. Let's see here. Uh, la, la, la. So we have that, and then we have this. Cool. What's the bottom of this candle actually? 27? Uh, yeah, it's bouncing, isn't it? Yep. Right. So nice little double bottom at $2.30 ish for IINN. A nice double bottom. Testing. Good morning, Scots. Have a great Hope everybody had a great Christmas. Yeah, we're gonna hang out for a bit. Good morning, Richard. Vegas has great cookies. Yes, and more. Mm. The inside of the is awesome. You've been there from Earth. Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah, no. When we were in Vegas, Peter's hotel was right outside the sphere, so that was cool. Yeah, that was cool. That's very cool. Yeah, IINN looks like it's doing a good job holding that $2.30 level there, so that's good. And what? And thrust, Peter. You could always go thrust for some monies, you know. Like if you were thrusting on one of those casino tables, they'd pay you to stop thrusting. Then you could say, yeah, give me some chips for me to stop thrusting. $2.40. What are we doing here? We're retesting the downtrend. Yeah, 11 minutes yet to go. 11 minutes. Hopefully, we have at least a bit of chaos, you know? Hopefully, we have at least an hour of thrusting, you know? and then we can go from there. So yeah, that double bottom is holding up really well actually, right? So bottom one, bottom two, nice little curlies, nice little curlies. More ayo, Dan, ayo ayo. Good morning, good morning. Oh yeah, that's a nice curl, isn't it? La, 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 la. A nice little curlies. Two, three. Nice little curlies. Uh, Interesting. Cool. La 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 la. You were scalping. I saw you guys in Discord. Dan, Pizza, all of you criminals. On Christmas, on Christmas Day, you guys are scalping. Addicted. Addicted. Anyways. You pressed the like. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, please, and thank you if you haven't already. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chats. Come join us in Discord. Blah blah blah. You know. Anyways, 9 minutes. Stop future shaming us. No, I think it's I think you do you anyways, you did good. Good morning, Blooming. Yeah, we're feeling at 47, 247, 250, 247. ARBB still trending down here. Interesting. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above the same support. Let me see. Sheffield United. Who's winning? Wow, Newcastle really lost to those guys at home? Wow. Wow. They lost at home? Good morning, Paige. What a disaster that team is. Wow. Sheesh. Disaster. And lots of good games today. As they've been entered. They really have been. What a silly team. What happened, Jim? Interesting. Anyways, let me pull up the S&P here quickly. SPY, what are we doing? Spice green, of course. Green, of course. What's Tesla doing? Tesla is green, of course. What's Nvidia doing? Nvidia is green, of course. Everything green. Everything green. I was looking. Yeah, I kept looking at this damn daily chart for Nvidia. I'm like, oh my goodness, that chart looks prime for disaster. That chart looks prime for disaster. But also maybe just a cup and handle, and then boom skis, Nvidia. But yeah, I was tempted by the puts. I think if it wasn't the end of the year, I would have done these puts. It's the last week of the year. These guys might wait till the year is over, right? Like if I look at the market cycle chart, like that whole this one, right? Again, this doesn't account for the election year though, so that's the problem. but like the beginning of the year to like March can be a bit silly, you know. And then we pick up into elections, right? And then we go boom skis. So, but yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. I think yeah. So just the fact that we're going into the end of the year puts me off a little bit, even though Nvidia looks like a nice puts. Puts. Also, Nancy Pelosi bought one point something million dollars worth of Nvidia shares. I think. Was it a month? Well, not too long ago, right? So, do you want to bet against Nancy Pelosi? I don't think so. No, thank you. No, thank you. It's the end of the year. Nancy Pelosi, blah blah blah. A few things. No, thank you. Anyways, there goes ARBB with a nice bounce of the downtrend there, so that's good. Going back for $2.20, 220. Let's see what happens here into the open. EPOW with some news. Battery, hard cable. Okay, sure, cool. There it goes. Oh my goodness, guys. Boom skis. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, ARBB. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was a nice level. Every time we got to $2.10, it was a nice level. Not once, not twice, not three times. Every time we've been to $2.10 for ARBB, it's had a nice pop. Your next resistance will be to the left hand side there, though, just slightly above $2.30. So if you miss the bottom, you're kind of playing with fire at the top, right? So, yep, right. All morning we've been bouncing off this level, right? So same bounce, boom skis, same bounce, boom skis, over and over. So the only concern is we have all that resistance at the top there. I did that. I did. Lots of food. Lots of food. I tried going to the gym, but the gym was closed, and I had anyways, yeah. So lots of food, lots of hangouts. It was good then. It was good. I need to slack a bit more to the end of the year. So I apologize for the slacking that I will do in advance. So, but yeah, I was slack and slack and slack. Today we're not gonna be like yeah, we're gonna be on for a little bit and then we're gonna hop off. And that's so we can go slack some more. There's a lot of sports to watch today, so he eats Santa's cookies and that pisses Santa off. Yeah, yeah. No more excuses. Well, I need to use up all the excuses to the end of the year, you know? Because when December 1st comes, or like not December 1st, January 1st, after that, I think I have less excuses. So I need to use up all the excuses. Every single one. Slack, 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 slack. Anyways, there goes ARBB retesting $2.30. So that's looking good going into the open. Cool. Hey yo, Iris, good morning. Yeah, you know, if yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, the only other day that I won't be streaming so far is January 12th. January 12th, I don't think I won't be on stream. I won't even be in Discord. I have some other stuff to do. So, yeah. Anyways, moving on. Uh, When on this on January 12th, Peter? Oh, secretly getting married. No, I won't be. I won't be in this quarter. So that's the that's a Friday. That's a Friday. So, anyways, market's open, guys. Let's focus on the market. No more excuses. No excuses. So, $2.30. That resistance at the top, right, for ARBB. So just be mindful. Also, again, the market is opening. Ooh, that thing said resistance. Catch me outside. So resistance there. IINN looks like we're retesting the bottom as well. Again, I've mentioned this a few times already this morning. Like, if you're not sure about today, don't touch, don't touch. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, Josh. Right. So, if you're unsure of what's happening on a day like today, as we go into the rest of the end of the year, don't touch stuff at the open, please. You wanna come, Peter? You could come. You could come. Anyways, good morning, Costa. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Justin. Good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Nvidia is on fire. Nvidia is back to 491. Wow. My goodness, I want those puts, but I don't want those puts though. Anyways, back to the stonks. What are we doing here? IINN is still doing an okay job closing those candles above 230. Let's see. Give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Choo, 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 choo. Unbelievable. Uh, we you have those? Oh wow, dang. Yeah, that's a scary business, Josh. Scary, scary business. 50 miles per hour. Holy. Good morning, OGG. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Today is what? Hmm. Choo, choo, choo. Uh, hmm. Winds? Yes, we have winds. We have everything that nature has to. Too much Christmas. Yes. To 34. Nice little scalpy. Oh yeah, that's a nice little scalpy. Yeah, good job. 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 Yeah, that thing is on fire, isn't it? Oh my goodness, look at ARBB go. Dang, that thing is on fire. 60. It is absolutely crushing it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. 70? 77? I'm surprised it's not halted. It actually is halted. It is halted. $2.77. 277 and halted. Dang. Ready to jump back into the market? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that was a nice push. Right. So again, if you looked at HT signal this morning, I mentioned that this was the one stock that I was looking at going into the open. So that thing did a really good job. Actually, what I like here is the break of the downtrend and then the close of the candles above the downtrend. We see that little white line going down there, right? We broke above it and then we came down to retest and then it just kind of played with it. I wish this thing gave us more time, but yeah, that's okay though. And then a breakout. Obviously broke resistance and then said bye. See ya. Don't wanna be ya. And halted up. That's a nice push. If you're holding ARBB, type in yes. Type in yes if you're holding. La, 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 la. It's a very nice push. Jason, yes, 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 yes. Lauren, yes. Richard, yes. Good job. That was a nice push. That was a very nice push. So, took 50% at 6% profits and holding another 150 at 227. Daniel, congratulations. Good job. Yes, Pizza. It stopped me out at 216. Didn't get back in. You got stopped out at 216. Okay. Huh. Yeah. Your stop loss might have been a little bit high, right? So, anyways, IINN is also doing a good job, holding $2.15, which is interesting. Um, but we need to break above $2.30 like we are, and actually close candles above, right? So then maybe we can push Scott. Jerry, yes. Wow, quite a few of you guys holding. Daniel, yes, do that, right? So Nvidia said, hey guys, are you thinking of buying puts? Don't do it. Nvidia, oh my goodness, look at that thing go, right? So yep. Anyways, so yeah, you have a bit of a downtrend there, Scott, to deal with on IINN. So you're going to need to break above that level and then send it to high weighting. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so first halted stock on Boxing Day. The first halt. La, 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 la. 277. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. There you go. Puta for losers. Yeah, puta for losers. Absolutely. Puta for losers. Really? Your first halt? Like your first halt ever, Lauren? Wow, interesting. Being a part of a halt, especially in the direction you want, is has to be like one of those feelings. You know, like if you buy a stock at $2 and it gets halted at $3 and you know it's gonna gap up. Oh my goodness, that's like Christmas. You know, ever? Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, like it's one of those feelings because you're like, come on, give me a Christmas present. Give me a Christmas present, especially if you know it's gonna get hot, like it's gonna open higher than the hot price. You can basically pick a number and say, you know what, my stop loss is now at $2.76. Right? Give me anything else. Halt at $3, 350, and halt again at 350, and halt again at $4. You basically have like you have some potential guaranteed monies. You have two checks. One is guaranteed. You're like, okay, on the table, and then you have another one you're yet to write the number in, but you know it's going to be an exciting number. That's what getting into. That's what being in a stock that's halted feels like. You're rubbing your hands like, come on, show me the monies. Until it opens below your stop loss. Yes, it is, Dan. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm saying all of this until I just watched the stock open at 250 and then halt at $2. Oh my goodness. Lauren is gonna be pissed. No, but usually that's what it feels like, though, right? So the halts that I hate are the halts that halt below, like halt at resistance. Like if this thing was halted at resistance, I would hate it because I know exactly what they're trying to do. So yeah, we shall see. Yeah, yeah. Anyways. Nvidia with a bit of resistance there. The S&P looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at Spigo. Highs of the day. Wow. Virus, are you looking for any puts? Amazon card. It's full. No. Lauren is like, oh wow, okay. Let me go shopping. Um, anyways. Anyways, la 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 la. Okay, let's see. Okay. Why is that a thing? La 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 la. Let's see. Let's see. Anyway, so yeah. Let me take a look at the potential opening price. 296. So it looks like it's gonna open higher than what what it's currently halted at, right? So it can end now. Yeah. So it looks like it wants to open at $2.96, which is again that's the excitement feeling, right? That's what I mean by okay, 277 is guaranteed. Now you're waiting and hoping that it opens up a lot higher than it's halted at. And in this case, they're giving us $2.96, which is a pretty nice push from where it's at, right? So uh, you're in SXTP at $1.30. Kel, I'll take a look. I would take a look. Ski. Yeah, IINN is going back to the abyss. Back to the abyss. So yeah, it's stuck at $2.96. So at least though, this gives you a chance, right? It gives you a chance. It gives you a chance to say, you know what, like at least if I'm in this already, which a whole bunch of you guys are, you're guaranteed to make some monies, right? It just depends how you manage it. If you diamond hand and then it gets halted down, then now you're going to be in trouble. The reason you want to be very careful when a stock is halting up, you want to be very careful and proactive when it comes to taking profits. Is if you let that thing open down, if you let it halt down, there's a good chance that yes, it's halting at 277 and potentially opening at $3. When it halts down, it's gonna not open at the same price, right? It's going to open down 10 cents lower, 20 cents lower, 50 cents lower, right? Then can you take that? Can you take that? Right? That's up to you. Already? That's something you have to ask yourself. For now, though, give us an on halt ARBB. Give us on halt and then halt it again, please. Up, of course. Yeah, to the next one. Yeah, that thing doesn't have the juice. The bits is slowly dropping. So $2.94. 294. Anyways, let me take a look at SXTP here. Yeah, in at $1.30. Okay, you're green in that position for now. Try and stay green, Cal. Try and stay green. Alrighty. Try and stay green. No, I thought there was news, but there really isn't. Let's see. That's rubbish. IINN. I mean, let's see if we can consolidate above $2. Already. See if we can consolidate above that level, Daniel. Yeah. Bunny. Yeah. Where's Musty? A-win. A-win. A-win pumping. Send it. On halted, guys. Oh my goodness. $3. There goes Boom Skis. Lauren shopping. Let's go. ARB. There you go. So $3.20 for ARBB. What a nice push. What a nice push. Ooh wee. What a nice push. So that's the feeling of like the on halts, right? You know it's gonna on halt, or you're hoping that it. Oh my goodness, that thing is on fire, right? So the good thing about this is we never went back to 277, right? So move that exactly then. Move the stop loss up, right? I've kind of said like how I would play a halted stock, right? I would play it by putting that stop loss 1 penny below the hot price, 277. So put it at 276, right? And if it never hits that level, you can basically close your eyes and say, you know what, Christmas, 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 So and then you can do whatever you want at this point, right? You can do whatever you want at this point. So my goodness, that thing is on fire. You sold at 320, there you go, right? So you can move your stop loss up like Dan said. You could scale out like if you want to, right? You basically do whatever you want. So there you go. Never had such a nice trade. Wanted to keep it. Let's go, Lauren. That's okay, right? The secure the monies, and on to the next nice one, right? So good job on that trade. I've never had such a nice trade. I want to keep it. Well, if you keep it too long, they take the money back, right? So nice trades are the ones that you can take, you can make monies in, right? Uh, Greg, yes, it was. Yes, it was. It was nice. It was, yeah. So good exit, by the way, guys. Is it too late? Big P. Well, it's at the highs and it's dropping now. So yeah, be careful. Right. The answer will honestly definitely never be like for sure yes. Because as much as like as extended as these stocks are, we know they can keep going. But I'm not gonna say yes though. Right. I'm not gonna say yes. Right. So not going to say yes again. You want to know what Lauren and Daniel have in common, guys. You want to know what they have in common? They're both legend members. They're both legend members, guys. If you're not a legend member, what are you waiting for, right? We posted in the legend channel that we are watching ARBB into the open. ARBB was at the bottom, right? It was at the bottom there, right? It was at the bottom when we posted that in the signal channel, right? We're watching this one into the open, $2. Well, it's not at $2 anymore, right? So yeah, that was a nice trade. 320, and it's not giving up, which is impressive. I wasn't expecting today to be oh my goodness, look at it go, guys. Look at it go. Look at it go. We're not stopping, guys. Look at it go. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I would be careful though with that 350. I would be careful with that 350 because I think we have a bit of an issue there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was actually worth it. I went green last week thanks to you. Let's go, Daniel. Let's go. Good job. Good job. Good job. No, no, no. Merry Christmas, Juju. Merry Christmas. La, 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 la. Wow, this is more volume than I was expecting, Dan. Yeah. It's like, okay, you know what? You know what? It's gonna be a slow day. Let's hang out for a bit and see if we can talk about some educational stuff. Nope. Straight to violence. The markets have changed. The markets have really changed. Like really changed. Every other Christmas, like every other holiday, it's like, okay, let's take our time, blah blah blah. Nope, this time, every single day has been like straight violence. Uh, there you go. You're out at 337. Jane, okay, congratulations, good job. We need to trade. The markets have changed. So this is actually helpful for you guys. Good to know. Yeah, people have Christmas monies to trade. Exactly, Dan. Like it's so different. Every other Christmas, like we would sit here, right? Let's go, Lion. Congratulations. Beautiful. Well, what was the entry price, Lion? Every other Christmas, we would sit here, and we would watch like candles like snooze, and then we would just hop off and go, take the week off, come back like, after the new year or something. This year, it's been every single day. Let's go, Richard. Richard made monies, guys. If you made monies, if you're still holding this stock, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies or you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Good job, Lion. Good job, good job. Yeah, if you play those halts, you just have to make sure we don't go below the previous halt price. Just never go below. Let's go. Congratulations, guys. So 240 want to add at 302. Good job, Richard. Frank, good job. Greg, good job. Gil, good job. Pepe, Doug, good job, guys. Good job. Boxing Day or not? Na, 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 na. Boxing Day or not, the people want to make monies. Uh, na, 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 na. Scroll to the bottom, actually. Interesting. Still in pizza. Was that the IPO price? Lauren, good job. Jay, monies. Yeah, SXTP. If that thing can find a way to stay above $1.20, maybe not too bad. 120 has to hold though already. So if you're playing with it, make sure you stay above $1. I hate that it's testing the bottom of the range, but yeah, make sure 120 holds. All right, all right. 120. You're watching IINN? Yeah, it's trying to hold $2, so that's good. You know what's impressive about ARBB is the way that it's bouncing above the 9, the way we're having, like, just the way it's running. I mean, look at the size of these candles, and the damn thing is still wanting to go. Right? So, yeah. La, 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 la. Dan, you managed to screw both sides of the word. uh, and see, out at 33. JT, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. You got in at 290 and you sold at 320. Congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, you win. Yeah, you win. I know that's what you're watching. So yeah, spy with some dipskis there. Spy dipskis. Out at 340. Okay, another scalpy. Good job. Uh, A win for Musty. 19, not too bad, Musty. Good job. What's your average again, Musty? Hopefully it's not like 25 cents. I think you're green in that position, which is good. La, 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 la. We are stalling them. As much as we're holding up really well for ARBB, we are stalling. So, la, 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 la. Looking good, but stalling. Uh, la, 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 la. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Bernard. Good morning. You're going to be disappointed. Musty, tell me, what's your average? But at least it's up 66%. At least you're headed in the right direction. How you're red though, Musty, I don't know. You know exactly what that chart does, Musty. You know exactly where it's going every time. It's like 12 cents or something stupid. So how did you hold it from anything red to that price? Brave Scar, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Come on, give us the next boomski here. Yeah, I'm impressed how well this thing is holding, even though you have that resistance at 350. So $3.50. 34? How do people figure out how high take a MEGL and is going to 427? So when they say 427, they're most likely looking at a bigger time frame, right? So if you look at a bigger time frame, you can kind of see more reliable levels, right? So that 427 level is coming from like the last time it rallied. So if you look at the last time it rallied, you could see that 427 like anywhere in this range, anywhere in that range right there, right? Same thing on the left hand side, right? So you can see a whole bunch of resistance right there all the way across is where they're getting that from, right? So stuff like that is it's nice, um but you don't want to have that and say, oh yeah, no, for sure that's where we're going to, because again it's up 260% and someone's asking for a lot more, right? So you want to be careful with that stuff. La, 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 la. Yeah, no, so we will sometimes, zoom out and look at the bigger picture, right? Support and resistance, just so you can have an idea of what's possible in your mind. Uh, but you don't want to be overly greedy and say, you know what? Yeah, that's for sure where it's going to. Because we've seen people lose monies because of, damn it, oh my goodness, look at that thing say, oh wow. That thing said, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. One second. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Have a jolly, jolly Christmas. La 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 la. Excuse me. What an absolute beauty that is, though. Wow, wow, wow. You wouldn't mind $10 for what? For a win, $10. Are we looking at the same stock? Oh, $1. I see. Yeah. I mean, the dropping news and the stock isn't moving. So, guess what you're doing? You're scalping features on vacation in Vegas. Pizza. You're scalping features in the hotel room. Continuation. Huh. Are you back in the casino? Are you back to the ATM? Yeah, the ATM, aren't you? Yeah. Crypto gains go good. Yeah. Wow. Oh my goodness. Pizza. Well, at least it's Monday or Tuesday. At least. Oh yeah. Ronald, get that rubbish out of here. Mm. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Look at the way that thing moves. 390. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. 420. There's that $4 level. Um there's that $4 level. So that 427, right? So oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What a run. Where is the unsub button? I know, right? See, the only thing here with your position is again, we never went back below the hard price, right? Like that last potential stop loss. We never went back below the hard price. So that's the that's the la 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 la. And it is not stopping, guys. It is not stopping. It is not stopping. $4, 360%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's not stopping. Sheesh. ARBB on fire. On fire. 420, 426. Yeah, we can zoom out again and look at the daily, see where the next potential target is, right? So you got back in at 4 out of 423, JT. Congratulations. That thing said 350% on Boxing Day. It's boxing up the shorts, guys. I don't want to FOMO. Boxing up the shorts. This stock is a distraction. To what? Distraction to what? Right? So distraction to what? Let's go. We have a new member, guys. We have a new member to remember. A new member to remember. Johnny Townsend. Interesting. Where you from, Johnny? I feel like you're from the UK with a name like that. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Oh, Johnny upgraded. Okay. I don't know why I said Johnny was a new member. Johnny Townsend. Anyways, yeah. Let's go. A-win is above 20 cents. Congratulations, Musty. Good job. Well, you have other issues though. Anyway, so you can see that little line that was mentioned, Lauren, right, from the daily time frame. You can see that it's stalling there, right? So again, if you're not a legend member, you're missing out, right? So this was the only thing that was kind of posted in the legend channel this morning, right? We said, hey guys, we are watching ARBB going into the open, right? So we talked about the fact that we kept bouncing off the bottom of the line there, and we needed to break above that little downtrend, right? Well, it's not at $2 anymore, is it? Right? So ARBB is gone ski. So if you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. Missing out. 280. Well, nope, it's going in the opposite direction. You're in at 280 is your entry. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, A-win came back down. A-win came back down. You may FOMO again. You I won't say no. I won't say yes either. Right? It looks really good. The only concern is you're trying to FOMO at the highs of the day, right? So at the level that you can see that it's stalling at, that's when you're trying to FOMO, right? You could easily FOMO right there, right? Educated FOMO, breakout, break above previous high. This would have been your FOMO level, right there. That was your signal. It's clearly breaking resistance that it failed at on the left hand side. That was your go signal. Now it's stalling initially here, so you want to be careful. USA, you're okay from the USA. Okay. La 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 la. Yep, 340%, Greg. Right, 340%. So you may FOMO Big P. You could have FOMOed into a Discord membership. La 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 la. Let's see here. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Let's go. We have another new member. Welcome to Discord. Um, your membership must have expired. It looks like Hairstone. Welcome to Discord. Um, I'll send you an invite link here. So you can clearly see where it's failing at, though, right? We're failing at resistance. So yes, when you're trying to FOMO into something that isn't breaking out, you're asking for trouble, You're just asking for trouble, right? So your Discord invite link is at the bottom of the chat there. Hairstone. So click that link and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Right? It's stumbling again. That shouldn't be a surprise. That it's stalling at resistance. Right? Let me look at the daily time frame again. Right? Like Lauren mentioned earlier. If I look at the daily chart, right, what do you see? Tell me what you see. Right? The last time we pumped, guys, where did we fail? We failed right there. If I go to the right hand side, where's that? Exact same spot. So we're failing right there and we're getting to the same level again, and you're surprised or you're FOMOing at that price, you just like violence, is what you like. You like violence. You like Boxing Day violence, you know? So um let's go. Congratulations. So your stop loss got hit more. $900 on Boxing Day. Shopping, shopping, shopping. I see lines. I see resistance lines. So now, if we can sell off and curl and go back up, then that would be a good thing. Look left, exactly, Lauren. Look left. Always look left. Always look left. Always look left. Look at that. Mo made $900. $900. Congratulations. There's a new IPO today. Why would you IPO today? Why would they want to IPO today? Wild. So again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Please and thank you. Let's use the Christmas spirit. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet and you want to come join us in Discords, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Alrighty, come join us. Back looks like it's pushing a little bit, doesn't it? So IINN isn't doing too poorly there. It's reclaimed $2. Back with a nice little pop, I guess. 310. So that's not too bad actually. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, 310. All the way to 380. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I completely missed that. Yeah. Some really good consolidation too, actually. Really good consolidation. Dang. Okay, that's good. So it looks like ARBB retested the kernel and it's going back up. So back to 410. Let's see where that candle ends up closing at though, because I think that's going to be important. Christmas had you waking up late. So you're back in F4, Jerry? Okay. I see. Fright from Nobody. Where is that from? That's from a movie. I don't know what movie that's from, Peter, but I know that's from a movie because I've heard that before. 30%. That's not bad, Musty. Some companies have zero. Think of AMC. AMC has no insider holding. Uh, Actually, that thing did bounce off that support. Not a huge bounce though. Cool. $4.16. Oh, Cool Runnings. Okay, I like that movie. Cool Runnings. 51% ownership. Yeah. Yeah, some of those numbers you can't really believe them though, Musty. Some of those numbers are rubbish. Pizza, who did you captain this week? Yeah, man. I need to watch that movie again. I need to watch that. That would be a good movie to watch. Salah? Okay. Very nice. Yeah, I want to see if these candles can keep holding above the kernel here. $3.80. If we can keep holding above. Did you make a transfer, Peter? Pizza? Trippier came out with 1 point. Wow, what an idiot. Let's see. Huh. Cool. -4? Wow. Dang, always taking these minuses. All these minuses, Peter. What position are you in, actually? Cool. Mind your own business. I higher ranked than you, Peter. Yeah, Chris Wood. Yeah, live double. Yeah, it was Newcastle. Yeah, surprising. That would have been it would have been nice if that was Isaac, live double. But nope, it had to be Chris Wood. Rubbish. Anyways, what time is it? Let's give it another 45 minutes or so, guys. 45 minutes, and then we're done skis. Alrighty, 45 minutes, and then we can go back in Discord and go hang out there and see if we can find some good signals or something. Anyways, again, guys, I would let's more than half of you guys haven't smashed a like yet, so I would really appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like. Let's get to 100, guys. Let's get to 100. Alrighty, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, all the fun stuff, and yeah. Mind your own business. Yeah, no, looks like we're trending down now, so be careful with this, please. We're starting to close these candles below the 9. You want to be careful. Be very careful here. On the left-hand side, that's the S&P. SPY no give a damn about anything. Whether it's Boxing Day or Christmas Eve, it doesn't matter. SPY is going to keep pumping. And IINN is having a hard time with 20 cents musty. Hard time. A hard time with 20 cents. There goes ARBB, new droppings, new lows from the highs, right? So when we start to close candles below the 9, you want to be very careful. Be very, very careful, right? So if you took profits at resistance, congratulations. That level should have been again, the fact that we failed at that level in the past on a bigger time frame, you want to be careful, right? So there you go. La. Messi, yes, why? Why? What would you like to know? There goes new drops, ARBB, right? So $3.50, right? So when we close below the 9, below the blue line, you have a warning sign, right? So resistance below the 9, problems. So below the kernel, problems. Below the 50, problems. Below the 20, problems, right? So yeah. Nah. What would you like to know, Messi? You're just curious? Let's see. Pelosi just made the largest stock buy in 3 years. It's Nvidia, isn't it? She bought more Nvidia than anything else.
No, I don't know to the second one. We have a responsibility to report in the stock on the stock, but I'm not familiar with that 5-month review. But if people aren't reporting, they should be. Yeah. because this is a free market and people, we're a free market economy. They should be able to participate in that.
Criminal. Don't get greedy, family. No, exactly. Not today. Don't get greedy today, right? Not today, please. She got 120 Nvidia calls for 2024 on 5 million, if you're not wrong. Yeah, something ridiculous like that. Uh, I don't know why people don't smash a like. I don't know why. It's free. It's not like you smash a like and it's like, oh my goodness, you have to pay an extra membership. I don't know. I don't know why people have such a hard time smashing the like. And the like helps so much. It helps more than you know, right? But yeah, I don't know. I think too, like it's well, Lauren, we love you too. And let's go. You were the first like Musty. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, thirds. Let's go. Yeah. I don't know why it's hard to smash a like. I think maybe I don't know if it's hidden. Maybe I think the comments, like the live chat, is hidden somehow. But I don't know if smashing the like is though. No, thank you for smashing the like, guys. I really appreciate it. It really does help, right? It pushes the content out there. It tells that's the only way that it tells the algorithm that, hey, maybe more people need to come hang out, right? So yeah, ready? It helps. It helps. Na, 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 na. Let's go, Musty. Thank you. Yeah, it's nice when you smash the like nice and early, right? So cool, calm. Thank you. Bets. To mess with I don't you do more. I don't even notice. I don't notice. See, like I cannot see when you do that though, Mo. Right, when you smash a like on like I don't see it because I don't really see this like the stream stuff until I go back on the other screen and I look at it and I'm like, oh, that's the number. Other than that, I don't see anything else. Bets is yeah, AWIN is rubbish. That company could be thrown in the garbage. I mean, it's bumping. Bets is bumping. It's up 71%. It's going. You got in at point. Oh wow, that thing was that cheap. My question is, why is this stock even still allowed to trade on the market? Why? Why? Why do people still? Why do they still let this thing trade at 0.008, 0.009? I was in at 50 cents. Yeah, like that's a stock. Yeah, it's a stock. It's not crypto. It's a stock. It's a damn stock. Oh, it did, JT. That's annoying. I know, Mo. I know. I know. When are you becoming a goat, Mo? When? When are you becoming a goat? So yeah. I mean, maybe that thing will drop a zero, right? If it keeps going the way that it's going, maybe it's gonna drop a zero. So if you're green, congratulations. I personally like I stuff like this. I just kind of stay away. So I stay away. Back looks good still. It's going for the highs of the day, 390 for back. BACK already, so 58%. So potential double tops at 385, 390, 385. Let's call it 385. If we can close about 385, then you're looking for $4 for BACK. ARBB kind of looks like it's consolidating above the breakout zone, which is actually nice, right? This was the breakout level last time, right? So that 360, right? 360, retest of 360. So if ARBB can stay above 360 and actually show signs of wanting to curl, maybe we can come back, right? So and there goes B. Oh my goodness, BSCK. Ooh, look at that thing go. Oh my goodness, $4, 4.15. Dang, $100 soon. 4.20. That's a breakout. So $3.85, and then Boomski's $4, 4.25, and then back down. Uh, no, that's okay. That's okay, more. Yes, yes, yes. Whenever you're ready. There goes 436. Oh my goodness. That thing is on fire. See, this is why people love those breakouts. That was a really good breakout. Just one candle is all it took. One candle and then boom skis. One candle, boom skis. I look shocked. Uh, la, 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 la. Oh my goodness. There goes $4 and almost 40 cents. And then a drop. You're in at 313. Okay, wow, that's a really good entry, Jaden. Congratulations. Don't go red, please. Do not go red. You should have enough room in between that. I've been wanting to say that so many times, Peter, but with this stock. 437, 443. Ooh wee. That thing is on fire. What a beautiful breakout. Wow. I'm actually surprised we have so many runners today. So many runners today. And fire. Fire, fire, fire. Again, another reminder that if you don't pay attention to the momentum scanner in Discord, you should. Right, that thing was spamming there in the momentum scanner channel in the $3 range, right? So $3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 350. That thing is not stopping, is it? Actually, do you have some crazy stocks today? I'm surprised this one hasn't halted yet. Nope, not halted. It's going for $5. Oh my goodness. Is the target, that's your target? Oh, where are you getting that target from? Again, so that's the first signal in Discord for that one, right? So you go back in 16. Okay, 38. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, see that again, like $3.63 is when that thing first started spamming in Discord, right? So again, if you don't pay attention to the momentum scanner in Discord, you should, right? From 360. Not the first time we mentioned it though, because again, that thing was part of the pre-market list this morning. So obviously something that we've talked about, but again, pay attention to that stuff in Discord already. So that was a nice push though, $5 and then back down. anyways, anyways, it's a very nice push. 497, and there goes $5. Pizza, you can say it. You can say it. Baby got back. You can say it's pizza. You made $300 on back. Congratulations, Matt. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Go back, go. Let's go, Quentin. uh, yeah, no, 416 is you have some nice profit margin then, Jane. Yeah, JT, I don't like that stuff. Yeah, see what's happening. Yeah, like honestly, yeah, I don't like it one bit. Not interested. 427. Okay, yeah. I mean, very nice, right? So just make sure you don't let it go back to that level, please. Don't let it go back down there. Otherwise, you're gonna be crying. Please and thank you. You sold half at 450. Okay, yeah. Scale out on the way up, right? So and then make sure you have a stop loss on the rest of the position, so you're not having to go back down there. Right? Take profit and then set a stop loss. Full stop loss at 460. Okay. La, 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 la. 460. What are we doing here with ARBB? $3.40. Okay. 340. We need a few more candles here for confirmation that we're ready to go back up to $4. Need a few more candles. Yeah, it's trying to. I wish we had more consolidation around the 340 range, actually. We had a few candles above the 50, which is nice. So that could have been a play there. Oh yeah, Bets is getting slapped. And that. So, yeah. Don't like those micro penny stocks. IINN, nothing happening. 192. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on back for now. Little tiny scalp futures pizza 75. How close are you, by the way? How close? Are you still like coming from the 800 level, or did you lose monies, or did you make monies? Hope you made monies. No. Luton is such a good team, actually. Wow. Surprised. Go back, go. Not gonna say, oh my goodness, Peter. Lord have mercy. And so, like I said, we need more time for ARBB there. Even though it looks like it's curling, we have these moving averages now, the 20 and the kernel, that it's gonna struggle at, right? So, okay, you get enter. Okay, sounds good. Okay, good. I thought you got entered for sure. You get entered. Superstitious. 65 Quentin, keep doing that. Good job. And if it hits, it hits, right? So if it hits, it hits. Anyways, yeah. La la la. So if you're still playing with ARBB, make sure that thing stays above 340. Alrighty. Stay above $3.40. Yeah, I do like the way back is holding above the 9 for now. So hopefully it stays above it. Your stop loss is good. Your stop loss is good. La 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 la. Let's go. Did you okay? You upgraded to Legends. Okay, sounds good. So, uh, are you in Discord? Hair store. Are you in Discord? Let me know if you are. If you're not, just click this link at the bottom of the chat. Then follow those steps and make sure you follow the steps in the Getting Started channel, and everything should unlock on its own. So, um, yeah. Alrighty. TUP. Stop at 340 might be too tight. No, the stop isn't. You mean like at two? Well, I mean, I rather like if your stop is gonna hit anyways at 340, then you're better off. I think hitting in. Anyways, yeah, no. So that stop loss was for back, by the way. It's a different stock, Freebo. Yeah. Christina, hi, and happy holidays to you as well. Happy holidays. TUP. You no, Quentin, you made money still. Good job. Yeah, no, TUP looks nice. Remember this one, Musty? Yeah, that's not too bad. It needs more volume. Needs a bit more volume there to break above that resistance, especially because it's sitting right at resistance. Yeah, sitting right at resistance. I just wanted to look right at resistance. Anyways, we have like 20 minutes left, guys. So it's been a better day than I expected it to be. So that's good. There goes ARBB. ARBB is looking nice. Yeah, it's going again. Yeah, it's looking really nice. So again, like I said, as long as we stay above 340, which we've stayed above, right? So 340, your next resistance is 390, and then back to $4 for ARBB. Yeah, that was a nice curl of 340 there. I just wish we maybe went back for a double bottom, but nope. Nice push though. Meh. 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 Yeah, so 390 there for your next resistance, and then you're looking at $4 again for ARBB. Looks like TUP is trying to break out. Trying to. It's sending it, send it. There are actually quite a few names today. Wow. I almost ended the stream with one click. La, 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 sending it. La, 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 20 seconds. There goes ARBB. Here comes $4. What a beauty. Yeah, this was actually quite a nice retest. And like we've mentioned this quite a bit, right? So when a stock breaks out, right? When I know there's resistance right there, guys, and we eventually break out right there, what do you think is going to happen? At some point, we have to come back to the right hand side to retest that level right there, right? Your resistance has to become support. And if it does, people get excited, right? You clearly had resistance right there. You broke above that resistance. You came all the way back down to create support at that resistance, right? So that's good. And yeah, so breakout, retest, new resistance at $4. Lost in pre-market at now a point. You're done for the day. Time for the kids. Good job, Quinton. Yeah, enjoy time with the kids. Holiday time. Not interested here? No, for sure. For sure. La, 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 la. Browsings. Huh, interesting. And so yeah, $4 and then back to 370. Not a huge surprise. Not a huge surprise. Back $4.40. La, 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 la. Thank you guys for smashing the like all. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. La, 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 halted down. No, thank you. Usual option. Uh, Interesting. Look at that $4 resistance and then straight to the abyss. $4 right back to 360. How it works? 350 is 8. That's a pretty big drop, isn't it? They're buying it again? I bet you these guys are just scalping it up and down. Scalping up and down, which is fine until it gets delisted. Do the scalpies and make monies. Uh, Good morning, Singh. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep in? You slept in, didn't you? You missed the chaos. You missed all the fun. You missed all the fun. Anyways, again, yeah, so 20 minutes left, guys, and then, 15 minutes, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord and continue the holidays, just take it easy and Slack. I'm going to be in Discord looking for some ideas and whatnot. and signals and doing some one. Well, yeah. Let me see what's on the calendar actually. Hmm. What a 5 minute trip to the to the bathroom mess up with. Did you have a sell at $4? It never executed or what? It should have. It went to 405. You missed it or you messed it up on a $4 sell and back to. Hmm. Yeah, that's an expensive bathroom break. So I mean, for now, hopefully it stays above the 50. Alrighty, stay above three. You didn't sell. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hopefully we stay above the 50 and go back up. It musty. It really is. It really is. It really is. Why in Discord? Because I want to slack. I want to slack as much as possible before the new year. I don't want to have an excuse that I'm tired when it's I want to have I want to use up all the excuses and yeah, nah, nah, all the excuses. So yeah, we're gonna be in Discord though. You did. You worked. You worked all 3 holiday nights. Oh my goodness! You wanted the money, Sing. Sing is like double time, time and a half, double time. Yes, please. Yes, please. Give me more monies for the markets to get. It's crazy, Musty. I don't know why that stock hasn't been delisted. I don't know. Would I touch that stock? No, because at some point they're gonna halt it and say, "Oh, okay, yeah, we forgot. It's gonna be we don't need to give you a 3 day notice. Nope, immediately delisted, and then your money is stuck. No thanks, no thanks. Yeah, unless they do a massive split and then they can get back up there, but still. TUP is retesting those breakout levels. $2.35. Let me take a look. Uh, VLCN. It's finding support at 14 pennies. Yeah, it's like a nice little double bottom. 1430 lion. So yeah. So if you play with that thing, just make sure you don't let it go. If I was interested in this, I would either let it go down closer to 14, like anywhere between 1450, 1430, without letting it crash below that level, or I would wait for a break above like 15. Just break and actually close a candle above like 1570. Right. One of those two. If it's gonna sit in the middle like that, then you're better off waiting for the bottom. La, 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 la. And there goes a drop, and there it is, right? So here comes 1450. So yeah, like I said, right, anywhere between 1450 to 14 without letting it go, 1430 without letting it go to the abyss, right, or the breakout. Yeah, exactly, Musty. It happens. It happens. Resistance for works. Let me take a look. Works. 270. Easy peasy 270. Yeah, because we've looked at this one in the past and it clearly had resistance at 270 again. That little pink line at the top, that's your resistance. These are lines that we've put there in the past, 270 resistance. And it hit that level today and then came right back to the abyss. So yeah, 270 resistance for works. ARBB still consolidating. Yep. You're stuck in at 210, Jane. What's your stop loss at? What do you have your stop loss at? Huh, interesting. What's happening there, Musty? I'm gonna set an alert for a break above 35 actually, or just a retest, and then so I don't have to pay attention. The S&P looks beautiful. My goodness. Bets is all over the place. You know what? You know what's interesting? Like, even though Bets is a micro penny stock, like look at this stock and tell me if you don't see like a technical breakout and a retest, right? Look at this resistance right there. That's obviously resistance, right? We broke out. Guess what happened? We came back to retest the breakout zone, and then it consolidated right there, and it went boom skis. If this wasn't a micro penny stock, that's beautiful, right? That's absolute perfection, right? You break above resistance, people educated FOMO all the way up, right? They sell it, it comes back down to the same level that it broke out at, and then it consolidates for a few candles, and then it goes right back up, right? So that is, from a technical point of view, that is perfection, right? So if you wanted to play that, you could have easily waited for the consolidation, waited for the cross back above the 9, and it's gone skis, right? Nice low breakout too, which is nice, right? Break above the 9, close above the 9. Don't let any candles close. Once you close above the 9, just don't let the candles close below the 9, and you're celebrating Christmas, right? Once you consolidate like this and you've clearly found the bottom and you're waiting for confirmation, once you close that candle above the 9, just make sure every damn candle closes above the blue line. If one candle closes below, just get rid of it. Easy. Quick, 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 quick. Close above, stay above it. Don't ever go below. Don't ever, ever go below. Don't ever. Don't ever. Uh, Out at 23, you might. John, congratulations. ARBB slowly creeping up again, holding above the 50 EMA really nicely, so that's good. That's good. What else? Hashtags lost have exceeded You buy million shares? Yeah, I bet you the people doing that. I bet you the people doing that. Let's see. Bullish flow in Tupperware. Interesting. Tupperware options are gaining some interest. Is that what it's saying? Tupperware options. The last time we had these options that gained some interest, it actually did quite well. Tupperware. So. Uh, got declined. Like the merger vote got declined. Okay. It's about a penny already, probably. It was close. It's very close. Back to the abyss. Don't diamond hand, please. 1 minute candles. Yeah, these are 1 minute candles. These are 1 minute candles. Unless I say I'm zooming out to look at the daily or something else, or the 4 hour. These are 1 minute candles. Do you like using the 1 minute Dean, or do you use something else? I like the 1 minute or max the 3 minute for these momentum stocks. Max 3 minutes. Unless I'm in a really good position that I'm comfortable, and then you start looking at the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes. You can basically do whatever you want if you have the right entry. When you're scalping these things, you want to be well, at least I want to. Jane, become a member. Come join us. Should we? There's no way unless you're a member, please and thank you. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, no, back is selling off like a tomato rock. That thing is falling like a potato, right? So let's see if we can start to consolidate off $3.80 here. Alrighty, let's see if we can consolidate off the view up and also a potential retest of the breakout, right? So the last time we broke out for back was, guess what, was around this area, $3.80, right? We've talked about so much, like how these things like to come back at least and retest. Every time you break out, you go down to retest. Every time you break out, you go down to retest. Well, it's coming down to retest it, right? So let's see if back can find a way to stay above $3.80. 380. You need that consolidation though, right? So it's never just, oh my goodness, I'm going to buy at this level because it's going back to retest. No, you always have to wait for the consolidation. Yeah, right. You always have to wait for signs of like consolidation, finding a base, curling back up. Otherwise, you just end up catching knives. Alrighty. Otherwise, you end up catching knives. I don't know if you want knives still, La, la, la. La, la, la. Take it. Stupid. Musty, do better, please. You could easily just buy Tupperware instead. Tupperware just made new highs of the day. Would I gamble? It depends. If the float is super low, Musty, then yeah. Like if the float is so low, like so low, right? Anything but like if you're looking at like the in the thousands or like a few million, right? So then yeah, sure, sure. If not, also you think about it. Like if your shares are gonna, if you're gonna have two shares left, like if you have two shares left, is it worth it really? Because even if that thing doubles after the like, anyways, yeah. So look at the float and then look at the amount of shares you would get after. And then if it's not enough, and then just kind of stay away. Right? Yeah, definitely not. That seems like a nice float. That's a nice bounce. Again, where are we bouncing, guys? Where are we bouncing on the stock? Where are we bouncing for back? Where are we bouncing? We are bouncing off after retesting the breakout, right? Every single stock. It's like, oh my goodness, it's pumping, but Blaze, why is it pumping? I want to FOMO. And then crash, crash, crash. Everybody crash, crash. To where? To the exact same level that it broke out from, right? This is the only time it's tried to bounce, right? The only time, right? Same thing for bets. Bets had a nice push, right? Really nice push. Came right back down to the same level and then bounced, right? ARBB, same thing, right? Exact same thing. We broke out on the left hand side. We went boom skis. We came back down to retest. It's the exact same thing, right? You know, you know. GCT. What's your position in GCT? La 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 la. Yeah, you are, Musty. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. GCT. Bets is the new Mullen. Hey yo, Ryan. Good to see you. Making some monies. Yes. 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 Tesla 256 swing trade idea. My thoughts on that? I'll take a look. I will take a look. Ski. Let me look first though. So GCT. Save again. I'm not sure what your position is, so you're gonna have to clarify. It's at $17. It looks beautiful. Your question is your next level for resistance, $18.60. It's quite a bit higher, isn't it? So, well, first things first, you need to close the day above $17, alrighty, and then you're looking for the all-time high, basically 1860. Tesla. That's enough for me. Be very careful, Musty. Yeah, going into a split is very dangerous. Please. Um, let's go, Ryan. What are you playing? Crypto? So Tesla swing idea 256. I mean, if you think about it, like Tesla has been failing the last week. Tesla has been failing at 258. So $2 is basically your resistance. That's your difference, right? So um, if we can break above that level, then you have more room to the upside. Righty. What if it's the you dream of, Musty? Well, I'm just saying though, like you never know what happens with these split names, you know. Yeah, I mean Mullen did well, so maybe. Do I have have a share with 200? Yeah, just keep in mind it's gonna get cut in half, right? So cool. ARBB. Yeah, it's trying to. Yeah, you are, Ryan. I am not buying. I'm improving reading the charts. No, absolutely, Ryan. No, one step at a time, right? One step at a time. Back is falling like a tomato now, right? So a bit of a curl, right? A bit of a curl, and then to the abyss. Can I view MMAT? What's your question though? Like, what am I looking at on MMAT? Let me take a look. IINN. We forgot about this one thing. Yeah, I mean in and around the 200, right? So if we can stay above $1.80, that's not too bad. Yeah, it's lost all the volume though, hasn't it? So for now, not too bad. As long as you don't let that, if that thing goes below 177, ooh, get rid of it. Right. So for now, again, it doesn't quite have the volume as you would want it to, but it's also kind of building a base. So you never know. You never know with this. Yeah, ARBB looks nice. Look at that beauty. So retesting that $4 level. Whoever went to the bathroom, right, and forgot to sell at $4. Well, it's back to $4. So if you wanted to sell at $4, you can sell again at $4. back to that same resistance, 405, and it said, nope, no resistance here, please. TUP is running. Well, musty. Look at TUP, guys. Beauty. TUP looks good, right? So again, TUP does look really nice, actually, right? Um, and also, if you look at the option channel in Discord, you can see people buying options on TUP. So yeah, TUP is doing well. It's doing well. Let's go. So Daniel says $120 total profits on ARBB and holding another 50 shares at 450. Beauty. Did you say 450? So 450 as like you're red in that position, Daniel, or what? 450? So still nice profits. Okay, yeah, good job. It's too expensive. Well, if you bought those options, Musty, I bet you'd be up like 50% now. 50%. Oh, that's your goal. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you have some issues here at $4, so just be careful. TUP TUP T T T. So yeah, no, Daniel. Yeah, just be mindful that we've struggled at this level quite a bit. So $4, 410 for ARBB. 88. Okay, beautiful. Congratulations. Na, 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 na. For some reason, my TUP alert never went off. Ever, ever. Myself on options? No, that's okay. Do what you're comfortable with. 375. Okay. So that position should end up being green then. So that's good. That's good. Alrighty, guys. Giving out a yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Hey yo, Red. I hope you had a great Christmas as well. So as you can see, we're failing again on ARBB at the same resistance. So be careful there. Right. So that level is a problem. $4.10. And TUP is still at the highs of the day. IINN is just consolidating there, which isn't too bad actually, right? So if we can stay above the demand zone, if it can stay above, right? So yeah, if that mirrored smoke, if that thing can break above $4 and actually start closing candles above four, then yes. Uh, no, so just during the day, Ryan. But if crypto starts doing some crazy things, then I'm sure we will think about it. But yeah. OCGN, interesting. Yeah, ARBB isn't giving up. It's not done yet, is it? Nope. Nope. But that thing needs to break out, though. I'm slacking. Yes, 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 yes. MLGO with the news. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, 180. 11%, not too bad. Needs more though. Think about it. uh, yeah. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. As soon as you mentioned it, Doug, someone formed in the on stream. So MLGO announced Bitcoin trading prediction algorithm. Oh wow. Interesting. Uh, Very interesting actually. Hmm. See, that's going to be another stock now that benefits from the crypto push, isn't it? That's nice actually. Yeah. Wow. 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 Oh, there it is. There goes IINN. Did you take a position, Singh? Did you take a position? You knew it was coming. You knew it was coming, right? Nice consolidation of the 200. Not a big push though. Like it's not a big deal, right? But you knew it was coming. Uh, yeah. No, MLGO looks nice. So $2 next resistance there. Again, they have news, right? The news is in Discord, guys, right? So again, if you're not a legend, you're missing out on stuff like that. The news came out, the news was posted in Discord, and boom skis, it's pumping, right? So legends. La, 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 la. I don't know what your question is for MMT. Ask me a question. What is your take on ChargePoint, Workhorse, Lucid? These stocks were once runners. I think at some point these stocks would do well if EVs were pumping and if like the entire market was pumping. I think maybe these stocks would do okay. But honestly, stocks like ChargePoints and Workhorse, these stocks have been destroyed by the big players. As soon as Tesla started doing these charging stations, the government or all the other companies started moving towards Teslas. ChargePoint died after that, right? Who's going to use a ChargePoint when you can have a Tesla charger, right? Lucid has just never performed because again they don't seem to sell enough vehicles, they don't make enough monies. Workhorse just never competed. These guys relied on like government contracts, right? They don't have any, so these stocks are just they're not quite there yet. But at some point maybe. You did sing? Okay, good. Yeah, I want you to to see these things and execute on them, and then notice what's working and what isn't working, right? Uh, Molina on the $10. See, like honestly, I wanted those damn puts for Mullen. Yeah, look at Mullen, guys. Mullen was at $20 last week, wasn't it? $20 last week. It's at $10 now, below $10. We knew Mullen would end up in the abyss. It's not a surprise, is it? We were just wishing they would give us enough time to actually get puts, so we could enter the damn thing. I know exactly, Virus. We were waiting for those options to come through, but nope. Criminals, market makers. Happy belated Christmas as well, Ryan. Belated Christmas. ARBB isn't giving up yet. That thing wants more, but it needs to break above resistance. It's fighting, ARBB. Fighting. Fighting. I know, right? So I do need to I do need to look at my calendar and like uh December. Oh, I really want to hmm. I might have to reschedule all the one-on-ones actually. So um yeah, might have to. Might have to. Yeah. MLGO. Yeah, it's sitting at resistance, $2 resistance, so it's gonna need to break out. La, la, la. Yeah. La, 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 la. Was it $15 runner? Yeah, it was. It was. It was one of those. It was I don't know. One of those splits IPOs. Reschedule the one-on-one today. Let me know. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, Jill. I might have to. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Like I could just move them like yeah, like instead of like just next week instead. Uh, Ayo, Mohammed. Ayo, ayo, ayo. You can't see any news. Why is it pumping? Mirror, there's news. The news is in Discords. Yeah, I think I'm going to reschedule all those one-on-ones. La, 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 la. Yeah. Become a member. Mirrored Smoke. La, 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 la. I know. So Jill and Alan, are you guys okay with that? Okay with rescheduling? Do you want me to do it, or do you want to one-on-ones? Yeah, 2024. I think I'm just going to move everything for the rest of the year, actually. Yeah, so if you're not a member yet, you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Come join us. Again, 2024. 2024. 2024, invest in yourself, right? Become a member. Stop slacking. Stop slacking, right? So do better for yourself. Yeah, it's ripping. Yeah, that thing wanted to go, right? What a beauty. 340%. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 340%, guys. Ooh, 342, 343. What a 345. Jill? Okay, beautiful. Okay. I'm just gonna move them all a week ahead. So reschedule. So we would have to go to so next Tuesday. So basically January 2nd. Perfect. And then Jill, I'm gonna do yours for next Tuesday as well. Reschedule. So when I reschedule though, you should get an email. You should get an email. So Lynn is on Wednesday. Oh, okay, I have to do that. When's yours moving to? Like just a week. A week. I just move everything like a week. So same day, same time, just a week from now. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna get an email for confirmation that your one-on-one has been rescheduled. So just check your email. I'll do it as soon as I get off. I'll do it. I will do it. You're welcome, Gail. So yeah, so double tops at $4.30, guys, for ARBB, right? It looks good though, doesn't it? Right. So nice little breakout there at 410, right? We had to break that level, and there goes new highs, 450%. Ooh, 451. It's a very nice breakout. If you're still holding ARBB, type in yes. You're back at 390. You closed it at 415. Okay, good job. 356% now. 356. If you're still holding this, type in yes. Shannon, you're still holding it. Congratulations. Beautiful. Gail, yeah. Nice. Very nice. $4, Mary. Nice. Good job. 357. Johnny, yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations again. Just be careful around this area though. Alrighty, make sure you have a stop loss. Make sure you have an exit plan. Right, there goes 360%. 360. What a beauty. 362. 363. Last high was $4.54. Can we get there again? Can we get back all the way up there? Okay, let me go back here. So Wednesday. So reschedule to the Tuesday, to Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Let's go. You're waiting for 460 breakout? Yeah, breaker 460 would be nice. 460 would be nice. I'll probably close my ARBB position at the highs of the day. Yeah, just make sure you have a stop loss though, smoke. So you're not just waiting for the highs of the day. And what happens if we don't get there, right? Look at that thing draw. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's nasty. That is nasty, right? So too often people want to wait for the highs of the day. Like, hey, let's get to the highs of the day. Doesn't always happen though, does it? Right? This is the danger, right? You cannot say, oh, I will close my position at the highs of the day. No, right? That is out of your control. What's in your control though is I'm in at this price. This is my stop loss. I will move my stop loss to the highs of the day if we get there, right? I will not sell at the highs of the day though, because we might never get there, right? These targets you have in your mind, they're just again, they're just targets. They don't have to hit though, right? So as I was saying it crashed, right? So you might never get to your target. It's like saying, okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait till like I'm 65 before I go on vacation, right? I'm gonna wait till I retire before I travel, before I live life. You might never get to 65. You might never get to 70. You might die tomorrow. So that part is out of your control. So yeah, I don't know why I use that analogy, but it's just the most vivid one that I could think of. The one that would cause the most violence. The most violence. Take chances when you're young. Yeah. Yes. It was dark. Yeah. I mean, it had to be though, right? So you should never be in a position where you're like, okay, you know what? I'm holding this stock till it gets to this price. What happens if it doesn't get there? You know what I mean? Like the market is about slow, consistent gains, right? Slow, consistent profits. I'm in at four. I'm in. You bought the stock at $3.80. It's sitting at three. It's so 380 all the way to $4.40. But then you want to wait till you get to $4.60 before you sell it, right? So why not just set a stop loss instead, right? And say, you know what? If we hit my stop loss, fine. I made some money. That's the goal. Consistent profits. If we get to the target, that's amazing. Christmas, right? But if I don't have a stop loss and that thing erases all the gains and then takes me to red, then you're in big trouble because you're hoping to get back to break. Getting back to break even is the worst feeling. It's the worst feeling ever. Like sitting there and waiting, like, oh my goodness, can I just get my money back? Can I get my money back? Can I just get back to that's the worst feeling. Because what happens is you get back to break even, you probably sell it because you've been stressed the whole time. And then the stock explodes without you, and you're like, yep, I knew it. I knew it. I should have waited. I should have held it. And then the next time you do that, it's never getting back to break even. Now you've gone from not only like losing monies, you're now building like bad habits, and it just goes from there on and on and on, right? So yeah, back has done a good job. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. Retest of the breakout. Look at that. Gone, 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 gone. So an absolute beauty. We always go back. Exactly, Wes. You could do that too, right? Use an OCO order, right? Target and a stop loss. Exactly. You can do one cancels the other, right? You can have a stop loss and a take profit uh, thing. So yeah, that's a really good idea. A really good idea. Okay, so let me. So Alan is rescheduled for Tuesday. Jill is rescheduled for Tuesday. 12 to 13. Uh, Tuesday. I should just reschedule that. Dang it. Oh, why did I do that? Look at now back is dropping a little bit too. Okay, we want to so Wednesday reschedule. Wednesday. 14 Wednesday. Uh, 14 Thursday. Uh, Thursday morning. I know, right? Like, yeah, I wasn't expecting the chaos actually. Uh, Thursday. That's quite the aggressive comeback on back. Quite the aggressive comeback. Schedule. Reschedule. Rescheduled details. Okay, so everything should be rescheduled now. No. Yeah, that's quite the comeback, Greg, isn't it? Look at that candle. 380 to 440. That's impressive. Good morning, D. Tupperware is dipping now. Okay. After Christmas, yeah, it's violence. Like everything looks good still, Gary. Right? The S&P has been pushing up. Nvidia has been pushing. You have these micro caps, smaller caps pumping. Right? Back is up 80%. ARBB was up 400%. It's gone back down to 300% now. Right? Um, like there's a whole bunch of names actually doing well. Yeah, exactly, Greg. Which is nice. He scored. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody has him though. Everybody has him. I forgot these games were going on. He's only scored one goal. Only scored one goal, Pizza. Just when I thought I was out, they put me back in. Yes. Yep. Timeline. So he scored a penalty. Huh. Thought Fulham were a better team. Ronaldo. Any chance of it getting back to $5? I don't know. Anyways, guys, so we will leave it here for today. Though we're gonna be in Discord, right? So looking for more plays, more ideas, whatnots. So if you're not a member yet, again, scored 3 last week, Pizza. That dude has been on fire though. He scored a goal every single week for the last how many weeks, Pizza? Wow, better than Haaland. He's performing at that same level, which is impressive. Impressive. You should just captain him. Frank, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're in Discord now, right, Frank? You should be, right? So again, Ryan, have a wonderful rest of the day as well. Again, smash a like if you haven't already before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come become a member. Come join us. My son got a Ronaldo jerseys, shirts, and that's amazing. Fire West. Your son plays soccer? Oh, fire, 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 fire. Alrighty, be safe. Again, some of these stocks still look really good, so we're going to keep watching them in Discord, of course, right? So ARBB is trying to consolidate at 380, which is good. So we're not done skis yet. Peter, no, Peter is in Vegas. Yeah. Trying to. Yeah. Leaving so soon? Yep. Alrighty, guys. Talking nonsense. Peter, what are you doing? Yeah. Okay, time for you to. What are you doing, Peter? Are you still at the casino? What are you doing? Have a great day as well, John. Because have a great day. Do you have your computer with you? Are you at the casino floor? What are you doing? No, 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 no. No, we just chat in Discord. Cool, calm. Come join us again. You're missing out, right? So already, I think Peter left already. Don't leave so soon. I know, I know, I know. I need to be. He's with the nun. Yeah, he is. No, I need to slack as much this week so then we can fully be ready for 2024. 2024 need to be fully ready. Fully ready. I need to send a message to the one. See. Yes. Yeah, it's impressive. It's actually holding up quite well. You sent me a video of the room. Let's see. I okay. Yeah, you will be. Okay, sounds good. Jay, sounds good. Peter, I don't see anything. Your internet is Canadian. Is it pumping now? Or send it to UP. Wes is doing all these things to keep me here. Well, I mean, it's super slow. So, Jay, welcome to the community. See you tomorrow. Let us know if you need any help. And yeah, alrighty, y'all. You're an idiot. Idiot. A useless nyash. Anyways, guys. Okay, okay, I'll watch that video now. Watch the video. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, all. Bye, guys. Bye, all.